Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize GoFundMe for fundraising success, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your GoFundMe campaign for fundraising success, start by clearly defining your goal. Specify the amount of money you need and explain why it's important. Create a compelling story that resonates with potential donors. Use a personal tone and include relevant details that humanize your cause. Add high-quality images or videos to capture attention and emotion. Make sure your visuals are relevant to your story and evoke empathy. Choose a catchy title that sums up your campaign effectively. A strong title can draw in potential donors and spark interest. Set an end date for your campaign to create urgency. A deadline can motivate donors to contribute sooner rather than later. Share your campaign on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by providing updates and responding to comments. Tap into your personal network by reaching out directly to friends and family. Personal messages can often yield a higher response rate. Encourage your supporters to share your campaign with their networks. Word of mouth can significantly amplify your reach and visibility. Consider offering incentives or rewards for different donation levels. This can motivate potential donors to contribute more generously. Keep your funders informed with regular updates about your campaign's progress. Transparency can foster trust and encourage more donations. Be sure to express genuine gratitude to your supporters throughout the campaign. Showing appreciation can strengthen their connection to your cause. Analyze the performance of your campaign regularly. Adjust your strategy based on what is working and what isn't. Stay persistent and keep promoting your campaign until the end date. Consistency is key to reaching your fundraising goals. Take time to reflect on the impact your campaign has had. This can provide valuable insights for future fundraising efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.